Embarking on the journey of visualization is akin to setting sail on a vast, uncharted ocean, armed with nothing but a map of your dreams and the compass of your mind. As you navigate through the waves of doubt and the storms of skepticism, remember that every great explorer once stood where you are now, on the brink of discovery. Let's dive deeper into the art of visualization, layering new insights onto the foundation we've built and charting a course toward making your dreams a palpable reality. Visualization, the genesis of transformation. At the heart of visualization lies a simple truth. The mind is a fertile ground for the seeds of possibility. Just as a gardener cultivates the soil before planting, you must prepare your mind to receive and nurture the visions of your future. This preparation involves not only clearing away the weeds of negativity and doubt, but also enriching your mental soil with positivity and belief in your own capabilities. The science behind the magic. Contrary to what skeptics might say, visualization isn't just wishful thinking. It's grounded in the science of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form and reorganize synaptic connections, especially in response to learning or experience. When you visualize, you're essentially training your brain, strengthening neural pathways associated with your desired outcomes. It's like rehearsing for a play. The more you practice, the more natural the performance. This mental rehearsal can enhance motivation, increase confidence, improve motor performance, and prime your brain for success in achieving your goals. The mirror of the mind, emotional resonance. Imagine standing before a mirror, not a mirror that reflects your physical form, but one that reflects your innermost desires, your soul's aspirations. This is the mirror of the mind, and visualization is the light that makes these reflections clear and vivid. However, for visualization to truly be effective, it must resonate emotionally. The stronger the emotional connection to the vision, the more potent its impact on your subconscious mind. Consider the phenomenon of mirror neurons, neurons that fire both when an animal acts and when the animal observes the same action performed by another. This mirroring process enables learning, empathy, and understanding. Similarly, when you visualize with strong emotional engagement, your brain mirrors the feelings of achieving your goals, creating a powerful internal drive to make those visions a reality. The architect and the builder. Visualization in action. In the grand design of your life, visualization serves as the architect, creating the blueprint of your future. But a blueprint alone does not a building make. You must also be the builder, translating those designs into concrete reality through action. This is where many falter, mistaking visualization as a substitute for action rather than its catalyst. It's akin to tuning a radio to your favorite station. By adjusting your mental frequency through visualization, you're more likely to receive ideas, inspiration, and opportunities that resonate with your goals. Navigating the seas of uncertainty. The role of resilience. Embarking on the journey of visualization is not without its challenges. You will undoubtedly encounter the seas of uncertainty and the storms of failure. However, visualization not only helps in creating a vision for success, but also builds resilience. By repeatedly visualizing overcoming obstacles and achieving success, you're mentally and emotionally preparing yourself to face real-life challenges. This preparation enhances your resilience, enabling you to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward toward your goals. Think of resilience as the keel of your ship, keeping you upright and stable, no matter how rough the seas. It's this resilience that transforms challenges into stepping stones, turning what might have seemed like insurmountable barriers into mere obstacles on your path to success. The tapestry of life. Weaving dreams into the fabric of reality visualization is like weaving a tapestry, with each thread representing a thought, a dream, or a goal. Over time, as you continue to add threads of visualization and strands of action, a beautiful tapestry begins to emerge, a tangible manifestation of your dreams and aspirations. But remember, a tapestry takes time to create. Similarly, the process of visualization and the manifestation of your goals is a journey that unfolds over time. Patience is crucial. Just as a weaver trusts in their skill and vision, trust in the process of visualization. Believe in the power of your mind to shape your reality, but also understand that some things take time to come to fruition. Cultivating the garden of your mind, a daily practice. To truly harness the power of visualization, make it a daily practice. Just as a garden needs regular care and attention to thrive, so too does your mind. Dedicate time each day to sit quietly and visualize your goals with as much clarity and emotional depth as possible. Make this practice a part of your daily routine, like a sacred ritual that nourishes your soul and propels you toward your dreams. Moreover, journaling can be a powerful complement to your visualization practice. Writing down your visions and the steps you're taking to achieve them can help clarify your goals, track your progress, and reinforce your commitment to them. It's also a wonderful way to reflect on how far you've come and to celebrate your successes along the way. That's celebrating every victory. Visualization is not only about reaching that one monumental goal, it's also about recognizing and celebrating every victory along the way, no matter how small. Each success is a masterpiece to be hung in the infinite gallery of your achievements. Celebrating these victories reinforces your belief in the power of visualization and in your ability to manifest your dreams into reality. Furthermore, sharing your successes and the role visualization played in achieving them can inspire others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and goal realization. Your story can light the way for others, just as the stories of those who've successfully used visualization can illuminate your path. The voyage of discovery, a lifetime adventure. Ultimately, the practice of visualization is a voyage of discovery, a lifetime adventure that reveals not only the depths of your desires, but also the heights of your potential. It's a journey that invites you to explore the uncharted territories of your imagination, to dream boldly, and to courageously pursue those dreams. As you continue to navigate the waters of life, let visualization be your guiding star. Let it illuminate your path, inspire your journey, and lead you to the realization of your most cherished dreams. The canvas of your life is vast and waiting for your brushstrokes. With visualization as your tool and action as your medium, there are no limits to the masterpieces you can create. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. Through the art of visualization, combined with the determination to act, you hold the keys to unlocking your full potential and transforming your dreams into your destiny. So set your sights high, visualize with all your heart, and embark on the journey to make your dreams a vivid reality. The world is waiting to witness the beauty you're capable of creating. Let the adventure begin.